Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 13 is a percent problem. It says there are 7,412 dogs in the town of Dogville. Of these, 17% are Labradors. How many Labradors are there in the city of Dogville? So since this is a percent problem, when I see 17%, I always ask 17% of what? And in this case, it's 17% of the total number of dogs in Dogville. So we want to find out what's 17% of 7,412. Of means multiply, so I will write 17% as a decimal, which is 0.17, and multiply that by 7,412. If I punch that into a calculator, I get 436, which means there are 436 labs in the town of Dogville.